Hey guys, welcome to this guide, and here I'll detail how to do circuit to search. So if you have an Android phone or a Samsung phone that has a circuit to search feature, then I'm going to show you how you can easily use the circuit to search for anything on your phone. So if none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, before you can do circuit to search, you need to first turn on or enable circuit to search on your phone. So first, go to your Android phone or Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down until you get to display or display and brightness, depending on your phone settings. So just go ahead and click on display or search for navigation bar. Then on the display page, scroll down and click on navigation bar. So if navigation bar is missing on your own phone, just come to the search button and then search for navigation bar. Then click on it. Now, once you select the navigation bar, you'll be taken to where to see the navigation bar on your phone. Go ahead and click on that. Now, either you're using buttons or swipe gestures, it doesn't count. What matters is come here and turn on circuit to search. If this is disabled, just come here and turn this on. And now, once you've enabled circuit to search, you are good to go, and you can now use circuit to search. To use circuit to search, let's say you're on the internet searching for anything, or you have a particular image on your phone. Let's say this particular image, and I want to get more information about this image, but you don't know much about it. You can use circuit to search for this particular image information and then get a first-hand information about it. How do you do this? To do this, just locate navigation button, which is gesture here, or the home button on buttons on your phone case, and then press and hold it. Once you press and hold, you're going to see this part that says Google and all that Google information here. Then go ahead and circle the object you want to do circuit to search on. So just go ahead and circle it like this. Then hang on. If you are connected to the internet, you see a pop here giving you information about the particular object you just did circuit to search on. So you can just from here click on the object to know more about it like this. So you can repeat this on every other object you want to use or do circuit to search on. So let's say this is Apple HomePod Mini, and I want to do a circuit to search on this. Just press and hold the circuit to search button to pop, then tap on it once or circle it. Then once you do that, you're going to see this pop that says this is the information about the particular object you just did circuit to search on. So you can see this is HomePod Mini from Apple. So you can also do this on every object you have on your phone. So let's say this, and I want to do circuit to search on this. All you just need to do is press the home button or gesture swipe and hold it for a second, and then tap the object you want to do circuit to search on. Then once you do that, then you're going to see the information about it. You can also use circuit to search on text. So if you are on a social media or anywhere and you see a particular text or term you do not understand and you want to know more about this term, just go ahead, press the circuit to search button, then go and highlight or circle the term. You can see digital creator. Then you're going to see more information about whatever you circled or whatever you did circuit to search on. So it could even be an image, a photo from the social media or whatever. So just go ahead, do your normal search, and once you're confused, activate circuit to search and then do your circuit to search. So that this is Messenger. Then come here, you're gonna see this is United. So that is the power of circuit to search. So that is basically how to do circuit to search on Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.